Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna have a quick video on how I make my toast, and in my opinion this is the best toast ever. And here are the ingredients: 1 toast and a half teaspoon of butter. First thing you need to do is heat your pan into low heat and add your butter. Spread your butter around the pan so it would be nice and even. Once your butter is partially melted, now you can add your bread. Coat one side of the bread with the melted butter and do the same for the other side of the bread. Turn the heat to medium and toast the bread until they're lightly golden brown on both sides. And this usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes on both sides. And voila! Our toast is done. What I usually do with the toast is I cut it in half. Look how toasty and buttery the toast is. It's so delicious. I usually eat my toast with slices of strawberries or some fruits that I have available. This is such an easy breakfast, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.